METATRADER4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for METATRADER4 and not METATRADER5. You cannot use this on derived platform. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do not forget to give me a thumb up. Before you take any trade, make sure you check a Forex factory to see if there's any news before you take any trade, so that the fundamental will not affect your technical analysis. It is a good thing that you check Forex factory on a daily basis before you take any trade, and put it on your calendar what time that news will be coming out. Make sure you stay away from every pair that has news, and make sure you trade profitably. Stay away from every pair that has a major news. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first day of coming across my channel, kindly make sure you subscribe, and do not forget to give me a thumb up. Turn on the notification button also, so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. You can check my website or join on Telegram group, so that you have access to more strategies and indicators. Now let me show you how to use this simple strategy, and this strategy can be used on any pairs you want to trade. Make sure you trade on regulated Forex brokers. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these Forex brokers. Make sure you demo trade before you go live, and no strategy or indicator is 100% accurate. So it is important that you follow money management. Make sure you trade with stop loss. Always use stop loss. It's better you lose part of your money than losing your account. Money management is important. Make sure you trade with regulated Forex brokers. This strategy is meant for METATRADER4. Now let me show you how to use this strategy that I've come up with, combining few indicators together, and I'll show you how to use this strategy. Number one thing you have to look out for is the changing of this net, or the crossing of this red and blue line. If red cross below the blue, as we have it here, it is a sell signal, and if red cross above the blue line, it is a buy signal. And this is how to use this particular indicator. And the next thing you are going to check, make sure you check a TDI indicator for confirmation or agreement before you place any trade. Now let's check out one or two trade. Let's start with this particular point. Anyway, we have this arrow here present for a sell. The arrow will not disappear after the candle close, so always allow the candle to close before you place any trade. It is advisable that you allow the candle to close for this particular indicator. It can disappear if the candle is yet to close, so wait for it. So we have this arrow here present at this particular point. Then this cross below the red line, cross below the blue line, and when you check DI, both the white and the red line cross below the yellow thick line, and this is a confirmation for a sell signal. So you can place your trade for this particular setup, and your stop loss will be few pips above the previous high before the signal was generated. Then you ride your trend, and this is how to use it. The other indicator here scan throughout the time frame and give us show us what is going on. But I will not be able to explain this with history, because this is the current signal generated by this indicator now. That is from 1 minute to monthly. That is on 1 minute the market is down now, but 30 minutes the market is up. 5, 15, 30 the market is up. So how I combine this, I'm going to explain with the last signal that was generated. We have a sell signal here generated at this particular point. We have the red below the blue here, and the two line cross below the yellow line here for a sell. So when you look at it very well, this is selling. But when you check 15 minutes, tell you what is happening on the 15-minute candle. So let's check now. So on 15 minutes, as we have it here, we have the candle. Let me enlarge it a bit. Here is the candle forming right now on 15 minutes. It's a bullish candle. So when we have it on 15 minutes, you know that 5 minutes also will be up and 30 minutes is up also, but 1 minute it is down. So this is what this indicator is meant for, to tell us what is going on the candle from 1 minute time frame to monthly chart. So this is how I use this particular indicator. Now let us go back and see more example with this strategy. It is simple. As I said, anyone can use it, and you see my stop loss with just a few pips above the previous here before the signal was generated. And that's how to trade with this particular strategy. And you see the first signal generated it deliver and gave us good profit. Here we have a small profit here at this particular point. This crossed. This is the overbought zone already. So this, you will not take this particular trade. This is almost at 90 points. So this is an overbought zone and you can't take this particular trade. So it is not valid. You should be looking for a sell signal at the overbought zone of TD high. So this is not a valid signal generated, but this is a valid one generated at this particular point. This is still at the 50 level. Let's check a few example more so that you get the gist on how to use this. Here is another confirmation. Here we have arrow here for a buy. It crossed here and the TDI was in agreement. Here is another sell. Here TDI was in agreement also for a sell and for a buy. This is in the overbought zone, and we might not take this particular trade. And then mind you, it depends on the zone you are. At this particular point I'm sleeping, so I won't be trading any of this signal. I trade London and the New York section, so I don't trade the Asia section. I'll be sleeping at that particular time. So most time I won't even see this signal, but I don't know where you are trading from. So this is just how to use this particular strategy. It works well, and you can use it also. You can add more indicators to it, or you can use it as a standalone indicator. The download link to all the indicators used for this particular strategy is in the video description. This is for MetaTrader4 and not MetaTrader5. As I said, make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. You can use this particular strategy to trade on any forex pairs. You can trade cryptocurrency with this particular strategy, like BTC, Bitcoin, USD, Ethereum, Doji, and the pairs. You can use this particular strategy as long as you have it on your MetaTrader4. You can trade gold, Meta, on this particular with this particular strategy. You can trade metal like gold, silver, and the rest. You can trade indices with this particular strategy like a Nasdaq, I mean US 100, US 30, UK 100, and the rest. You can trade stocks with this particular strategy like Amazon stock, Facebook stocks, and many other companies, as long as you have it on your MT4. You can trade them. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so, and the download links to all the indicator used for this particular strategy is in my video description. I will not want to keep this video very long. Make sure you download it. I included my template also. You can use my template so that you have the same chart like mine. This can be used on any time frame you want to trade. You can use it on any time frame you want to trade, but make sure if you are using on lower time frame that you are only trading in the direction of a major trend, either the trend for 15, 1 hour or 4 hour. Only trade in that direction to maximize your profit and to reduce your risk. So it is important that you manage your risk very well. Till I come your way again, keep on winning and bye for now.